This is the boat that started it all. This is the boat that arrived on scene of the 1996 X Games, creating both an industry and the first ever wake icon. But being the first is not enough for us. For the 2018 XStar, we went back to our roots to figure out how to pack everything we've learned in more than 20 years of firsts and bests into the next generation of XStar. And here it is. The king has arrived and stands ready to push an industry forward once again. The new redesigned hull is made to make massive wakes, and it's paired with a hyper-custom rudder designed to give the XStar nimble handling. Wakeboarding or surfing, beginner to pro, these are the wakes that let you set your firsts, necks, and bests. Start with a 23-foot length, featuring a spacious, comfortable interior with room for your whole crew. Pair it with unique aesthetics, and then top it off with more option standard than any of our other boats, and you get the new XStar. This is the pinnacle of Mastercraft style. The hull design allows for unprecedented amounts of storage, more space, more depth, easier to access, and, only on the XStar, extra storage over the engine compartment. The new XStar was designed to be the most progressive wakeboard boat, and that's about more than just the size and shape of the wakes. It's also about how soon you can start rolling them out. The FastFill Ballast System fills the 4,100 pounds of Gen 2 ballast in less than 3 minutes, thanks to an XStar exclusive 4th ballast tank. Not only does it have the fastest filling ballasts in our lineup, but it also has the most. The 21-year-old legacy continues. Meet the next generation of innovation, progression, style, and performance. The new XStar is here, and nothing else comes close.